Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily change your player name in OTR 2. To change your player name in OTR 2, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch the game open. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and once you're inside this tab, tap on multi options at the top. Here you'll see your current name. If you want to change your name, click the change button in green right next to player name. Now you'll be taken to the next page. Here simply go ahead and tap on your avatar at the top left and you'll open up the profile overview section. Here tap on your current name and click on the name once again on the next page. Go ahead and enter a new name. Once you are done, click save and you have successfully changed your name in the game. So there you go. That's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.